Hello, my personal presentation. My name is Joan Jerez. I am 28 years old. Um, I live in Bogota. I study industrial engineering. I am married. I have a 3 years old son. Um, have you been working for some company for more than 5 years? Yes, I have worked for 7 years. Where have you been working? I have worked at DHL for 7 years. Have you been exercised in the last year? No, I haven't exercised in a long time. What type of exercise do you do? No, I have no exercise. I have studied into University Industrial Engineering. Thank you.